In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a sale in your eBay store. Whether you're looking to clear out old inventory or simply boost your store's visibility, running a sale is a great way to attract more buyers and increase engagement. First, go to your eBay dashboard and click on My eBay. From there, navigate to Selling, then go to Marketing, and finally select Discounts. This will take you to the section where you can manage or create new sale events. Next, click on the Create Discount button and choose Sale Event from the drop-down menu. This option lets you design the kind of promotion you want to offer. For example, a percentage off, a fixed amount off, or a simple sale event only. Pick the one that fits your sales strategy best. After choosing your discount type, enter the discount value. Make sure it falls within the acceptable range. If you're setting a percentage off, it's usually between 5 and 80%. Depending on eBay's rules, you'll also find some useful additional settings. You can include skipped items automatically when they become eligible or block price revisions to keep sale prices consistent. Then, set your promotion's duration. Use the calendar to choose your start and end dates. By default, it starts immediately and ends after 30 days, but you can customize this to match your marketing plan. In the details section, eBay might suggest a default offer name, but you can change it to something that matches your store's branding. Keep it short and clear so customers know what kind of sale it is. Next, choose which products you want to include in the sale. You can select all inventory, specific eBay categories, store categories, or individual items. To refine your selection, click the Add link and use filters like price range, item condition, or category. You can also search by title, SKU, or item ID to pick specific products. Once you've reviewed your items and settings, check everything carefully. When you're satisfied, click to launch your sale event. And that's it. Your eBay store is now ready to grab attention with exciting deals. By following these steps, you can easily set up a sale that enhances your storefront and brings in more potential buyers. Happy selling!